Hi YouTube watchers! So today the sun's been shining and we've got a spring in our steps, so we're thinking Easter. And what does Easter mean?
Eggs.
Eggs, and lots of them, so we're really excited. We're going to open some surprise eggs today. Yay! So I've got two toy super fans here who just can't wait. So number one, do you want to pick an egg? You want to pick an egg out of one of the baskets? And oh wow, it's a frozen egg. And who's on the egg? Who is on the egg?
Elsa.
And we've got another helper trying to open one, but we'll just open one at a time. So here we go. We'll try and open it up without making too much mess because it's very chocolatey. Yum yum yum. We can eat that later. We're gonna have to save it till later because otherwise we might get a pain in our tummy if we eat too much at once. So, so exciting. Who's going to be in here? Is it going to be someone from Frozen? What do we think? I guess.
Elsa.
Who is it? Is it Elsa? Is it Anna? What do we think?
Elsa.
Superfan number one. You want to try? Reach in and see who you've got. You've got Olaf, and it looks like a locket. Is that a locket?
Yeah.
We'll open it up and see who's inside. It's Olaf, and it's an Olaf. I think it's a locket. You can put it on a necklace and wear it. And he is super, super duper cute. So we put him to one side, and then we'll let our super fan number two open up her egg. What have you got? We'll open it up over here. We'll open it up over here so everybody at home can see.
It's Anna.
It looks like Anna on the front, but that doesn't mean she's on the inside. So the little helper's helping. And we're gonna tear open the paper. Whoa, and it's all coming out at once because she's so excited she can't wait to get in there. Come back here with it and see what's here so we can show everybody at home because they really want to see who's inside. And oh, you take it out, little helper, little super fan. And some of the chocolate's disappearing. Who is it? Who is it? She's gone from the screen. There she is. Who's that?
Elsa.
It's Elsa. And look how pretty she is. Whoa, she's so pretty. Hello, everybody. I'm so pretty. So we put her down beside her friend Olaf. Okay, so now I think it's time to open another egg. Superfan number one at a time.
It's a frozen fashion.
It's a frozen fashion. Yay. That looks like so much fun. This is so exciting. Who do we think is going to be inside?
Elsa.
Who do we think? Elsa? Anna? Who do we want to be inside?
Elsa.
Who do we want to be inside? Okay, so what have we got inside? We'll open it up. And what's this? Who's this? Who is it? Who is it?
Olaf.
It's Olaf. Oh, he's so cute. And what do you do with him? Is he squidgy?
Squidgy.
And he can be your friend. You can take him to cuddle up with you in bed at night. You can sit him on your desk. And if you have a lot of work to do, you can just squish him and make yourself feel more relaxed. He's so much fun. We love him. He's so cute. Okay, so we put him there with his Elsa and other Olaf twin. And then, oh, one egg's already gone missing. So I think we might open our Hello Kitty egg. Will we open our Hello Kitty egg, Superfan number two? Yep. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see how we get in here. Usually there's an opening at the side. And we'll see. Just have to take the paper off. There we go. And we'll see what might be inside. Okay, 1 second, little fan. Here we go. We can't wait to get in here. It's so exciting. Here we are. Oh, what is it?
Beans.
What are they?
Beans.
They are beans. They're jelly beans, jumping beans.
And there's a comb.
And there's a comb, a Hello Kitty comb for all our pretty girls out there, or even pretty boys. And what else have we got? So we just have the leaflet then to tell us what everything is. So that's the other surprises you can get. So we have to collect all the eggs to get all those surprises. And today we got a comb, which is so pretty.
Right,
and do we get stickers? We got stickers as well?
Yeah.
What stickers did we get? Oh, we got Hello Kitty sitting down. And we got Hello Kitty waving. Hi, Hello Kitty. She's so cute. We can put that on our copybooks. Yeah, we love that. Okay, so we put that to one side. Is it time to open another egg? Okay, who wants to open this one?
Me.
Super fan number 1.
It's a Peppa egg.
It's a Peppa egg, so all our little fans will really love this one.
But that's George
So that's George and Peppa. What are they doing? They're jumping up and down a muddy puddle, which is so much fun. So here we go. In we go. Try and tear this open as quick as we can. And it's a nice yellow Eastery colour. So what's inside, Superfan number 2? What's inside? What do we get? Show everybody at home.
Another yellow
Show
cone.
everybody at home. Whoa, it's a George cone. Look, there's a little heart shape at the bottom. We really like that. That is so cute. And what else do we get?
More beans.
More beans. Maybe that's for Jack and the Beanstalk, so we can find the golden goose or something. And then
More stickers.
more stickers. So who's on these stickers? We've got Susie Sheep, Zoe Zebra, and Peppa, and they're jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Yay! Oh, they're so cute. So now I think we might have to open another egg. In you go, one at a time.
It's a Star
The
Wars
red
egg.
hand goes in. So it's a Star Wars egg. This is one for the boys at home. This is so good. Okay, here we go. We're going into the egg. We're going in, everybody.
What's in those?
What's in there? We don't know yet. We have to go in there first and find out. We have to tear off the paper.
What's in there?
And then we're going to find out. Here we go. Are you ready for the big reveal? 1, 2, 3. Open sesame. And what have we got? Okay, so what's inside? Little helper. Little helper, take something out. What's in there? What's in there? What have we got? Show the people at home. Whoa. I think that might be... Is that Darth Vader? A pencil topper. Yay, and it spins around. How cool is that? So we put that down there for everybody at home. And what else did we get? We got... Put these two inside. What did we get? What did we call?
Another sticker.
We got more stickers. Oh, they look scary. And I see a lightsaber. I see Darth Vader. Wow, they are cool. So we put that there. And what else do we get? Just our leaflet. We can collect all these surprises if we keep getting these Star Wars eggs, which I think we might. So that looks like fun. Okay, I think it's time to open another one. The red one. Look, that looks like a good one. Even open this one. We open this one with the bunny. Hello, Mr. Easter Bunny. What have you got hiding inside? Whoa, what's this? What does that look like?
Daisy.
It's Daisy Duck. Whoa, quack, quack, quack. She is so cute. We love her. So that's something to keep. That's really cute. There we go. We put her beside the red comb. And, okay, another egg. Superfan number 1. In you go. In you go to the bucket.
Shopkins.
Shopkins! How did that get in there? The Easter Bunny must have liked the Shopkins and decided to add them to our Easter feast.
Daisy eggs.
So in we go. In we go to our Shopkins basket and see what's hiding inside.
Chunkies.
Huge Shopkins. So we've got some paper on the side. We'll take that away.
Yeah. What's in the bin?
Yeah, that goes in the bin. Thank you very much, little helper.
Bye.
So here we
That's a
go.
bag.
Whoa, is there a bag inside?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's in a shopping bag? It's like a real shopping bag, isn't it? And what have we got?
Yeah. It's a shampoo.
It's a shampoo.
Nice.
We'll have to find out if there's a
That's
name. So the leaflet tells us it's squeaky clean. 2-088. Hello, Mr. Sparkle. How cute is that? We love that. So pop Mr. Squeaky Clean into our basket. There we go. And then we have...
Looks like popcorn.
We have another one. And we're trying to guess from the outside. We think it might be popcorn, but we'd better get in there to find out for sure.
Cheese.
Is it cheese? Is it popcorn? What else do we think it is?
Cheese.
The other guess is cheese. Okay,
Yeah.
here we go. See who's right. Whoa. It looks a little bit like popcorn. Again, we'll check our leaf and make sure. Hello everyone, I am so cute. I've got a blue face and green stripes. Hey everybody, my name is Puppycorn. There I am, number 2-053. And I'm so cute. Hello, I'm going into my basket. Bye-bye everyone, bye-bye. In we go. So, I think it's time to dig deeper into the bucket and see what else is there. We're nearly at the end. So much fun. Okay, little hand, what have you found? Show me. You found more. It's a ducky and it's another ducky.
What's in there?
What's in there? Who's that?
Scootaloo.
It's Scootaloo. It's the baby pony. She is so pretty. Hello, Scootaloo. Hi, everyone. Okay, super fans. Here we go. We've got 2 more eggs, I think, in our buckets. So, who wants to go first?
Me.
Big hand. Okay, big hand, you go.
It's another egg.
It's another egg, and we'll move it over here. What's it got on it? It's got a lammy. At the back, it's got a bunny. Oh, they are so cute. Okay, so what are they hiding? What's inside? What have they got? Ooh, what's in there?
Shopkins.
Is it a Shopkin? It's a Shopkin shopping bag. The Easter bunny must like shopping.
There.
And who's inside? Big hand and little hand. Little hand, you take it out. Tell me what it is. Take it out. And give it back over here.
There.
And what is it? Who does this look like?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I think this looks like Licorice. Look how pretty she is. She's got pink shoes and she's got a little blue blob. Oh, it must be cream or candy. And she says, hello everyone, I am so pretty. Okay, so I think she's going to join her friends over here.
I'm doing a friend.
Yeah, she's going to join her friends and they're going to talk about their day in the supermarket. Okay, so our very last egg, little hand, I think it's your turn. Do you want to get the last egg? Reach inside the bucket, deep inside the bucket. It's a bunny rabbit. What's at the back? Oh, chicky chick. Oh, they are so cute and they're really getting us all in the mood for Easter. We can't wait. We're so excited for Easter. And what's inside? What is it? What is it? Can anybody tell me what it is? What is it? Anybody know? Big hand, what is it? Big helper?
Shopkins.
It's a Shopkins. We're going to reach inside. My little hand is going to reach inside and tell me what's in here. Ooh, looks a bit tricky. Looks like it's stuck. Need some help, little hand. And who's coming out? Ooh, hello, it's Miss Mushimoo. And she's so cute. Hello everybody. My name is Miss Mushimoo. I was very busy today. Okay, so I think she's going to go and join her friends. Do we like her, little fans?
Yeah.
Do we like Mushimoo? Who's your favourite Shopkin?
That one.
Which one? Licorice? What about you, big super fan? Who's your favourite Shopkin? Which one today?
This one.
Which one, Miss Mushimoo?
No. This one.
This one, Puppycorn. Yes, she's not. That's because you like popcorn, isn't it? You love popcorn.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's all our eggs for today. Okay, YouTube watchers, we hope you've liked our little video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and also to hit the like button. And we'll see you next time with hopefully more eggs because it's Easter in a few weeks. Yay! So for today, it's goodbye and mwah mwah. Bye, everyone.
Bye.